Enjoy freedom and fun in this engaging 3-bedroom 2-bath home with lovely golf course views. Neutral tiles set on diagonal throughout. Guest bedroom has carpet. Updated and renovated kitchen with cream color wood cabinets, granite countertop, tile backsplash, stainless appliances and built-in beverage center. Great breakfast nook just off kitchen with extended cabinetry. French door entry to master bedroom and large walk-in closet. Newer vanity, fully tiled step-in shower with built-in seat. The 3rd bedroom is being used as a den and has a built-in desk and French door entry, perfect for your home office. Updated guest bath. Guest bedroom has large walk-in shower. Plantation shutters on all windows. Offered furnished, personal items exempt. Buy now and begin your good life. Mandatory membership. Quail Ridge is a private